How to find previously watched videos on YouTube. So first you want to open up your browser and head to youtube.com and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now you want to click on history on the left side. And from here you should be able to see your watch history on YouTube, and then you can pick whether you want to filter it by videos only or shorts or podcasts or music. And you can click on the all button to show everything. You can also search right here in your history. So for example, you can search for a specific video that you've watched. For example, you can type your search right here and press enter to search, and it will show all the results that are available. And then you can simply click on the video and play it again. You can also clear all your watch history by clicking this button to remove everything. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.